Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser, and I'm using Edge browser right here. You can use any type of browser to check your login activities on your phone. And next thing you want to do is to go to search right here. Go ahead and type in Microsoft and sign in. Go ahead and click on Microsoft account sign in. And in a few seconds, it's taking you right here. Go ahead and click on sign in right here. So after click on sign in, it's taking you right here. Go ahead and enter your Microsoft Outlook mails. Then go ahead and click on next. Then go ahead and enter your passkey or password. So here you go. You are now in your Microsoft account right here. So now you are in your Microsoft account right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on security. Next thing you want to do right here under the security, go ahead and click on view my signing activity. Click on that. So here you go. So here you have recent activity. So every login activity is going to be revealing to you right here. So if you find out that there is any signing activities that is not actually familiar to you, just come here and click on secure account. Look unfamiliar, click on secure account. You can scroll down and review as many as possible. So I'm going to collapse this. You have all signing activities right here. So if you find out anyone that is not really clear to you, just open up here and then review as much as possible and then click on secure account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft account securely, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.